Here lot for sale. So this is the Barangay Road in Burgos. So the total area is 1,855 square meter and the price is 550 per square meter. So this is the boundary. So this banana tree is the boundary. O niya ang kuanday dito sa Pikas pod. So this is the boundary here all the way. It's also a barangay road in the other side. So as it says, the price is the total area is 1,855 square meter and the price is 550 per square meter and it's negotiable. Why do the buyer needs to buy this, Lorraine?
Is near the road.
Yeah, it's
and you can go easily in the market.
And the market is only 15 minutes drive from here, which is the town of Talibon. It's closer in the mall, you know, it's closer in the hospital and some colleges there. So this land is include the coconut tree is also included. So it's a lot. Oh, pila ni ka kuanday? Pila ni ka lube?
30 plus na siguro ni.
Yeah, so the coconut tree is 35. Let's call it 35 coconut tree. So this is the boundary also, straight there, and it's flat. So complete papers ni Day. So it's complete paper, so you can check it out here and contact us. Day, say contact number ni mo Day. Yeah, so just for more information on this land, you can contact. Cellphone number Day. Sige na sa cellphone number niyo. Cellphone number ba? Sige na. Cellphone number. Yeah, so for more information, you can come. And at the same time, if you want to see this area, we can assist you to look at. It's flat area. You know, you just need to clear those grass, and you can see the whole area. It's flat. It's easy to build a house here. Of course, it's in the side of the road. Yeah, so the number is yeah, so for more information you can contact
0994
Usab guday ba na?
0994 9357 877.
Yeah. So it's just in the Barangay Road in Burgos, Talibon. So the total area is 1,855 square meter and the price is 550 per square meter. It's negotiable. Day, nganong indot ni dire dapita day? Nganong indot ni balayan dire?
Tapos Corsada.
English day. It's in the side of the road, and as you said, say it's cemented. You know, and it's closer in Talibon. There's also coconut tree, so you can use this coconut tree for building a house here. Yeah. And at the same time, the coconut tree is also a source of income. So yeah, grab it. Have a great day and God bless. Bye bye.